Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about the bottom navigation bar in Pixellab. This menu has 5 tabs and as usual I'll just brush through all 5 of them from left to right. I won't cover this section as this video is just to explain the bottom menu bar. In the next video we'll cover this area, which is the control panel or control tab. So the first icon here is the File tab. From this menu, you can create new documents, access older documents, or use from their templates. We'll go deeper into all of that when we cover the Control tab. The next is the Text tool. This button opens up all the options as related to text. So if you want to create a new text or use from Pixellab's quote options, then you can do that from this tab. Other options will be available in the Control tab once the text is created. The next is the Toolbar. This tab contains the other tools available on Pixellab aside text. We'll go deeper in it also in the next video. This is the Document Control window or tab. From here you can apply changes to the document window or Canva. The next is the Document Style window. From this tab you can apply some edits or styles to the background. You can change the hue, brightness, contrast amongst other things. Just like the others, we'll talk more extensively on the options in the Control tab for each of them. So let's just briefly highlight what we've talked about here. First the File tab, then the Text tool, then the Toolbar, the Document Control window and finally the Document Style window. Alright guys, that's all for this video. In the next video we'll talk about the Control tab, which is the final menu as highlighted in our introduction. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on Pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.